Rhian, we're in the Senedd tonight, and once your football days are over, please stay and become First Minister of Wales. You are so inspirational. And one of the things that really struck me was when you said that you've had enough of Wales as a small country being overlooked.
Yeah, it is. And I think as a Canadian, which is obviously a much bigger country than Wales, but equally we're next to a much bigger nation. I see it. I get it. It's a frustration for me as the women's coach when they're Welsh and maybe they aren't as respected in the same way as some of the bigger nations around the world. And so I'll continue fighting for them to make sure that they're seen as much as possible.
But one of the things that has certainly happened now is that the European press, even the world press, are now looking at Wales due to the women having made it through to the Euros.
I think that will be one of the bigger impacts of the Euros is for the women themselves as well. And there's so many phenomenal players across the world in the women's game. And they've seen them on television their whole lives. And all of a sudden, they're going to be sharing a pitch with them. And they're going to realize that they are right there as well. And I think that will be a powerful thing for them, but equally for everyone around the world to really see and recognize the talent that lies here in Wales.
It's totally inspirational as well that the decision to present the squad, to name the squad on the summit of Wyddfa, but it's a personal place for you as well.
It is. I've been up every single route. I love climbing the mountain. It was my parents had their honeymoon climbing the mountain. That equally, because my father loved mountains, when he died, we actually had a little ceremony for him up there. And, you know, our communications team didn't know that. So a really full circle moment and something that is perfect for the team and for Wales, such an iconic mountain. But equally for me personally, I think it feels a little bit surreal, actually, that it's come full circle like that.
And now looking forward to Switzerland, you also mentioned that difference between what if and why not.
Yes. I think we have a tendency when we go into the unknown of the fear of what if. And I've seen that throughout my career. I've seen it in myself. And it's quite a passive, it's wait and see what happens, where I really do embrace this idea of the why not. And that I think is more about stepping forward into the unknown and going for it. We have nothing to lose and only excitement to bring to ourselves, but also this country that we love. So we're going to go for it.
And we wish you all the very best of luck. Thank you for taking the girls to Switzerland. It's absolutely brilliant. It's phenomenal, the success that you've already had. And hopefully there's much more to come as well.
Thank you. Diolch.
Diolch. Thank you.